Welcome to Wallside Classic and Sports Car. Today we have something a little bit different for you in the form of this 2017 Norton Dominator 961. It's a one-owner bike bought from Norton Works in Castle Donington. It's covered 2,200 miles from new. Service history is complete. Went back to Norton for the first service in April this year. The bike comes with the spare key, the service book and the leather pouch. As you'll see by looking around the bike, you'll notice it's got some options on and above the standard. The list price on this bike was £27,670. The options includes it's got a decatted exhaust and it's been remapped by Norton to 100 brake horsepower. And it's got the short open pipes at the back there, which you see there. The original pipes also come with the car. Okay, it's got a Paddock stand, which was £195. It's got the painted flag behind the seat cowl there, which was £250. It's got the polished alloy chassis pack, again quite expensive, £595. It's got the carbon hugger there, which was £250. Chrome chain guard, cheap that, £150. The pipes were £895, the decat was £295, and it's also got an alloy oil cooler there, and the engine block is in black. Okay, so all in all, you can see the conditions of the bike. It's not been down the road or anything. Paintwork on the tank and everywhere, it's been cherished. Its condition, 2,200 miles worth of wear on the rear tyre. So there you are. So £26,700 now. Good saving on new for what we're offering out. Oh, it's got the carbon Flyscreen there as well. Okay, sound well these bikes. So there we go, from new. So if you're interested, give us a call on 01507 606 725 or go on our website wallsideclassics.co.uk. Thank you.